Building a music fan base requires a strategic approach that combines artistic talent with effective marketing and engagement strategies. Here are key steps to build a music fan base. Establishing a clear brand identity helps fans connect with your music and persona. Define what sets you apart from other artists, whether it's your style, message, or image. Consistency in your branding across social media, artwork, and performances helps build recognition and attract a dedicated following. Quality music forms the foundation of any successful music career. Invest time and effort into producing well-crafted songs that resonate with your target audience. Aim for originality and authenticity in your compositions to stand out in a crowded industry. Leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok to reach a global audience. Regularly update your profiles with engaging content like music releases, behind-the-scenes footage, live performances, and personal updates. Engage with your followers through comments, direct messages, and interactive features to foster a sense of community. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for direct communication with fans. Encourage visitors to your website or social media profiles to subscribe to your email list by offering exclusive content, free downloads, or access to pre-sales. Use email newsletters to update fans on upcoming shows, new releases, and special offers. Collaborating with other musicians, producers, influencers, and industry professionals can expand your reach and introduce your music to new audiences. Attend networking events, join online communities, and build relationships with bloggers, journalists, and radio DJs who can help promote your music. Live performances are invaluable for connecting with fans on a personal level and showcasing your talent. Book gigs at local venues, festivals, and events to build a loyal fan base in your community. Offer merchandise such as t-shirts, CDs, and posters at your shows to generate additional revenue and promote your brand. Interact with your fans genuinely and consistently. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions on social media. Create opportunities for fans to participate in contests, QA sessions, and fan clubs. Showing appreciation for your supporters fosters loyalty and encourages them to spread the word about your music. Approach music bloggers, online magazines, and local newspapers for press coverage and reviews of your music. Positive reviews and media mentions can increase credibility and attract new listeners to your music. By implementing these strategies with dedication and creativity, artists can gradually build a strong and supportive fan base that sustains their music career and enables long-term success in the competitive music industry.